If you have WeChat on your phone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see important secrets about how you can source and find similar products with just picture on your WeChat account. Quite a lot number of people that have WeChat are not actually aware of it. But if you really want to know about this particular secret on how to find a similar product on WeChat, consider to stay tuned to this video and see everything you need to know about this particular secret right here. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay, or you want me to coach you or teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using WeChat or 1688 or in Chinese e-commerce app or website. That being said, let's get started. Like I said earlier at the beginning of this video, if you have WeChat right here, you need to pay proper attention to this and see this particular secret hack on how you can find similar product with just a picture uploaded by a different supplier that you follow on your WeChat account. So the very first thing we want to do here is to be sure we open up our WeChat. So I'm going to click on here to open up my WeChat. Having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on Discover right here. So click on Discover. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you navigate to Moments. Let's go to take you right here. Here, this is where you see every moment by each of the supplier you follow or you add into your WeChat account. So here, you can use this particular hack on how to find similar products in this particular category. And at the same time, you can use this to search for similar products of a particular update on your own moments in your WeChat app. So for instance, if I want to get more variety of this particular product right here, I want to get for the similarity of this product, different supplier across China on this particular WeChat right here. What we want to do here is to make sure we open up the photo in the full right here. So when you open up the photo full right here, click on push down, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. So when you click on that, allow the system to, WeChat is going to scan it. So once it scans it, then in a few seconds, you are going to see a similar result of this particular product, just like what you see right here. Then it will also come with the link of each of the manufacturer of that same product. So you can scroll down right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see similar results. However, this depends on the number of the supplier that actually sell this type of product on WeChat. Now, for you to connect with any of the supplier right here, what you need to do is to click. So after you click on the product link, it's going to take you right here, just like what you see right here. Then you can scroll down and check on the detail about the product and the store. You can see right here, so at the time of making this video, this particular store here on WeChat have sold 1.6 of this particular product in the past. So you can scroll down and check on detail about the product. The more you scroll down, the more you see the product picture. So scroll down right here, just like what you see right here. Now, how do you contact the supplier right here? So you can easily click on this icon right here. This allows you to contact the supplier. However, you can click on this icon right here to check on more items from the supplier store. So when you are ready to make a purchase, you can simply click on here and proceed with your purchase. You can make payment here with your Alipay or with your WeChat wallet. It's that simple. However, this particular app here actually work for picture print products. So you can click on this one right here again. This will give you exact match. Just like what you see right here, you can see the video product section of that same particular product. The more you scroll down, the more you see different things from different supplier across China in WeChat app. It's that simple. This is what I have for you as far as WeChat secret sourcing trick that you need to know on how you can actually find similarity product with just your picture in your WeChat moment on your WeChat app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or iDoFish, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.